Hello, class. My name is Edward Adamson, and I decided to do my problem off the student activity worksheet finding factors. All right, and I told you to do problem number two. So problem number two was x to the third minus 2x. So what we're gonna do is find what this problem have in common is x. You got x and that, x and that. So what we do, we'll bring out x and the factor. It'll be x squared minus 2. Now, if you have to go back and check to make sure your problem, this answer is correct, if you multiply x times x squared, it will give you x third, the third, and then you multiply x times 2 will give you 2x. But see, now I did have a problem um with chapter 3 and one of the, okay, I'm gonna get in a minute. Okay, let me stop doing that. No, okay. All right. Sorry about that. Hmm. All right, sorry about that. It's, I don't know why it's just acting crazy. Okay, you can't pick up the same thing. All right, I'm sorry about that, but I did have a problem with chapter 3 was adding and subtract rational expression. So I will write out the problem. Now it was on the homework. I got half of it right, but the other part I didn't get right. So I wrote the problem out. X minus 6 over 8 plus x plus 10. Ooh, Jesus. Over 7. But I got 1 over 56, but it was like I couldn't get the other part. I tried everything and couldn't figure it out. So that's it. All right, thank you.